Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2005 Lexus ES330. Right there, 330. And today we are doing a transmission pan. We are replacing the entire thing, and fluid-wise, we're doing a dump and fill. What is that? Well, we drain the fluid, dumping it into a container. We measure what comes out, and then we do our service, and then we refill it, and we add a little bit because there's definitely a leak. And yeah, very good. You guys know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So while that is currently draining, we're going to look around a little bit. We're going to look around at the abnormal wear on the front rotors. How's this side? Yeah, a little bit, a little abnormal, a little Abby norm. Yep, we got some flavor happening here. How are the bushings? We've seen better days. Valve cover, look like we got a little bit of sweat up there from the valve cover, but it's not that bad. And then we get back to the aftermarket exhaust, and then the aftermarket exhaust goes back to the custom exhaust. But you know what? It's not leaking. Can't complain there. Those look like they might have some issues moving. Or that one too. Oh, yep, abnormal wear on the rotors there as well. No noise. Very good. How's this side? Oh, yep, Abby Norm has come back to in the rear, and no noise. Very good. All right, so let's get this trans pan down. So now that we have the pan down, we could actually inspect our valve body. We can also inspect our magnet that's in the pan, and there's, not for nothing, there's not that much metal on it, which is a very good sign. And the transmission is, the transmission fluid is still red in color, which is an indication of the customer does their service on time. So what we're going to do now is, or what we actually already have done, we clean the surface here, and we're going to prep a brand new oil pan and gasket ready for installation. Very good. Right there. That's good. Now we're going to install the rest of the hardware. So now that we have the new pan all mounted up, we're going to brake clean the area. And I should have said this earlier in the video at the beginning. You cannot remove the transmission pan in its original position. What you have to do is you have to take the bolts out of this engine mount right here, support the transmission, and lift it up about an inch or so. That way you can access all of the mounting bolts on the side over here. All these are accessible. These are not. So we're going to clean it up, add some fluid, and give it a road test. It's very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Everything is cleaned up. You remember how it looked before? Now, beautiful. Brand new pan, brand new hardware all around. Brand new drain plug and brand new pressure washer. Very good. Now let's bring the vehicle back down and fill this trans up. Alright, so we drained roughly about 4 quarts. We had some spillage and figure some leakage, so we're gonna put 5 quarts back in the vehicle. And what you do is you just pour slowly. There is a transmission dipstick and a transmission fill right here, and you just fill it through there. It's not going to go in fast, so just pour it in easy and then give it some time to go in. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. We just got back from our road test and everything went very well. It shifted through the gears just fine. I'm going to top off the fluids here, and we're going to return the vehicle to the customer in better condition than it once came in here. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. You want to know what I'm impressed with? I'm impressed with the duck job that they did here. What duck job? Well, the duct tape job. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shades of duct tape. It appears 5. No, excuse me, 4 shades of duct tape. And it appears that they were at the end of the roll of each different color. And they proceeded to tape their chair up. I'm kind of impressed, man, like with the color choices. You know, if it was the whole seat, that actually might look pretty good.